Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator. This week we have a short week, we call Monday holiday, so I try to make it short. Not much I can say. So the overall market is still bullish, even though we have a little bit correction today, but the buyer still step back in and push it back up. So normally the market when they run up, so many days in the upside, they tend to pull back down after they run up. They pull back down a couple of days, they run up, they pull back down. As long as they still stay above the trend line, so everything is still bullish. But in the short term, let's see how they lay out here. We will have a choppy in a couple of days, but overall trend is still bullish. So as long as the price still stay above the support line, it means that the market is still hang on to the upside. If you look at the Nasdaq with the technology stock, it's pretty strong. Okay, they pull out today, and then they bow right back up at a support, and then let's see how far they can go. But sometimes they go too fast, so they need to pull back a little bit. So that's a normal, healthy correction. So right now, at this moment, it's still bullish, so we still continue to hold on to it. Let's see when they come back and test the sell zone. Let's see if they're able to continue or they will slam it down a little bit. We will see in the next couple of days, probably next week. So tomorrow a job report come out. Let's see, this one it can keep the momentum going or they will have some correction. So we will see. But overall, trend is still bullish. So we will stick with the upside for now. The Russell 2000, which is a small cap top, they go nowhere as you can see here. They ran bow up and down here. That's why if you're trading those small cap top, you better be careful because they only go up a couple of days, go down a couple of days. That's the nature of the small cap top right now. So you have to be a little bit cautious. So don't hold a long position until they get out the choppy area here. Okay, so that's why if you own those small cap top, they're going nowhere. And you jump in, they slam it down, you jump in, they slam it down, and then you go up and then you don't sell, they slam it down because they stick into the rainbow here. Alright, so if you look at the Dow is also choppy. They couldn't make an all-time high like the Nasdaq and S&P 500. They stuck in the sell zone. So they are still choppy sideways here. So they will go up, they will go sideways here until they be able to break out here in order for the Dow to continue to put up to the upside. Okay. If you look at the crude oil, is still they have some correction. They hit to the sell zone and then they slam it down last couple of days. So right now they try to hold up the support and try to rebound. Let's see it, but definitely the price is a little bit overpriced here. So we really want to see some correction here, or they will have a little correction and continue to the upside. The overall trend right now is still bullish, so we still see how they lay out here. But definitely we have to watch out for the sales on here. Okay, and if you look at a gold it tried to rebound the whole week last week. So they hit to some level of resistance here. So sometimes they run too fast, so they need to pull back a little bit before they can gain momentum, and then they will tell it clear. They'll be able to continue to put it to the upside, okay, or not. So we will see in the next couple of days here also. If you look at the Bitcoin is still hang tight to the buy zone here. They are still choppy up and down here. As long as they hold on to the buy zone here, okay, they were looking for some support. I think at the Bitcoin they are still waiting for the big event coming up on July 21st, I believe. So that we can tell you what happened. Okay, after that, same thing like Ethereum, that's a little bit stronger. They buy zone, they hold them very tight. At this moment, they still hang up to the upside. Okay, even though they do need a lot of work here before the trend will become more positive. But in the short term, they try to hang up on the first bottom out here. Okay, so as long as it still continue to make it high, low, the trend is still in the first bottom our way to the upside. And if you look at the VIX volatility index, the VIX it spiked up today, as you can see here. Let's see the fear index. As you can see today, they run up to the top. That's why they call the market to run fast for a correction, and then they slam it down again. So we'll see it what they are going to do tomorrow, and then you can find out how people are feeling about the market. If they slam it down, then the market will go up. But if this one continue to go up, then the market will go in down. Okay, so we have to pay attention for that. Look at a 10-year Treasury note. It's still very low here, but like this one here, they have a strong support at this level here. So, but this one it will have a technology stock to go higher. But when they drop to this level, and then you have to watch out because they will rebound, and that's where the technology may have some hiccup there. Okay, so you have to pay attention. And this one is so important for the inflation, interest rate, and the technology stock. It's so concerned, but right now, as long as they're still going down, definitely it will benefit a lot of big cap stocks. So they still hang on to the upside there. So, as you know, that trading is a very risky business. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. So that's why you have to learn and understand how to read the chart. But you have to know that in order to read the chart, you have to understand the technical analysis, right? And how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition, so that you can manage your money and you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so that when a stock navigator, we will mentor and support you every day until you are successful, and we will guide you in our Discord channel 24 hours a day, so that you can follow along and can ask and see how the price action in real time. This is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. So this is the time for you, so that you can invest in the education, so that you can survive and make money in this volatile market. So now let's take a look on the couple of the sectors, so that we can see any stock that have potential for us to trade for the tomorrow or next week. Okay, so first of all, if you look at the strong sector right now, today it's all 11 sector of S&P 500, they're all going down. But some of the sectors too strong, like you can see that the real estate sector, the real estate is still very strong. As you can see here, every time they go up, they make a round bottom, and continue to put it back to the upside. So some stock in this sector that you should to be able to take a look. Like let me see here, we have a bunch of stock here. I will show you here so that we can see how they look like. Okay, and so that we can find out we can trade. Which one is the first one? Is the DLR. Okay, so this stock has been slammed down for the last couple of weeks here, but they have a strong support at level here. So now they try to rebound from the support. So look like they have potential to bounce back up. The next one is the let me see here, ABBV. Okay, it's the ABBV. This stock could also break out, and then they clear the all-time high here, and very strong momentum, so they still have room to move. Okay, the next one is MAR, which is the Marriott Hotel. This one here, they are still sideways choppy here, but they have a strong level of support here. They still hold up pretty well. Okay, a couple of times already, so today they slam it down, but they hold it up well. So if they be able to clear this resistance here, and then Marriott can be able to continue to push it up to the upside again. Okay, so watch out for it, and should see how they lay out in the next couple of days there. Another sector to get hit hard, the energy sector, they broke a support line here, so they're coming down very hard the last couple of days. But some stock in this sector still hold on to it, like OXY, they come back, they have a support here, and OKE is another one. They have been found a support here a couple of times, and another one is FANG stock, also FANG. This one here, they have a support here, they have support here. Let's see tomorrow if they be able to push it up, they will have potential to bounce back up again. Financial sector also get hit the last couple of days. They dropped below here, they put back, couldn't go higher, they slam it down. So in this sector right now, it's still in the correction, but some stock are still on tied to the upside, like PayPal. Okay, they have some resistance here at the sell down, but the momentum is still in the upside there, so they still have little room there. And another one is Visa. Also, they break out, but they couldn't go higher. They pull back the support, but the buyer step back in, they put it back up. So overall, it looks like they have to have room to put it to the upside there. And the best sector that I like the most is the technology sector. This one that I told you many weeks ago. This one is the one we should put our money into it, and exactly what it is. And now they continue to push it back to the upside. And a lot of stock in that sector that you have been followed. This is Apple. Okay, Apple run up very fast. They hit some resistance, so they pull back today. But overall trend is still bullish. So if this one here, they can clear the level here, they will continue to put it up to the upside. Okay, and Adobe is another strong one. This one here, it goes extremely strong there. And one of the stock that we highlight at the CRWD, it's the CrowdStrike Holding, one of the cyber security. It's very strong. They break out, they pull back, momentum is still pretty strong there. One stock that Zoom, it also they try to work out, but they couldn't hold on to momentum, so they drop here, but they go right to the support, so they found the support here. So let's see tomorrow if we give you a nice candle here, they'll be able to turn around also. And the bio healthcare sector is still doing pretty well here, as you can see here after the breakout here. They continue to have a strong momentum to the upside. So especially when you play those healthcare bio stock, you're looking for the strong brand name, because those are the ones that can hold up with a downturn and give you more money in terms of the yield money. So it will help you out. So like this one here, they are sideways. I'm sorry, this one is MRK. Okay, that's a merge and company. So this stock, after they slam it down here, now they continue to put it to the upside. So the momentum is still into the upside. So they are continue to make it high, low here. So the momentum is still push it up to the upside there. Another one is the Johnson Johnson. So Johnson Johnson, they claim that their vaccine should be able to take care of the Delta variant. So if that's the 2K, then this one here, they fail at the sell zone here. But if they can clear that area here, the momentum can pick up and shoot it up to the upside if they can handle the new virus there. And if you look at another one like ABBV, okay, so they'll talk at another one that try to put it back up. They failed the first time to break it out, but this time if they can hold up, they can clear this resistance here, definitely it will be some positive in the future for this stock. And let me see here, another one is also a good one here. Let me give you extra one. That's the Eli Lilly. This one is pretty strong. After the breakout, they pull back the support, they go up, pull back support, and today even the market drop, but they are still hold tight to the upside. So it means that they still have some more room there to put it up to the upside. Okay, so today I have nothing. I give you 3 stocks for the bottom fishing. So let's see how they lay out. The first one is FSLR. Okay, so first solar. This stock have been slammed down very high here. Okay, they chopped down from 110 down to 70 bucks, and now they'll be able to find a support. So they try to clear this resistance here. They fail here, so they go up and then they slam down again. But let's see it. They'll be able to hold up, and then if they can hold up, and then we'll need to see some kind of volume push it back up to the upside tomorrow or next week, and then they can put this one up to the upside. Okay, so they will clear this resistance here again, and definitely they can get up more to the upside there. The next one is the NOC, which is the Northrop Grumman. This one here is still sideways, but they are not going down, so they are stuck up and down, but they drop below here, but then they come back up. If the momentum is to pick it up, they can come back and clear this resistance, and then they will have more room to put it up into the future. And the last one is ALK, which is Alaska Airlines. So this one here, they drop from the top here, they wouldn't go higher, so now they slam it down. But right now they are right at the support level here. So if they can hold on to this one here, we're looking for the bow back up to over here. Okay, so let's see how they lay out. So they have a strong support also at this level here. So definitely will be something will hold them up. And if they can bow back up, you're looking for some quick trade in the upturn there. Okay, so I think that's all I have it for you this week. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. So thank you for watching, and good luck in your last day of trading, and take care everyone.